If your Mercury thermostat is acting up or feels like it's stuck in the past, it's probably time to think about swapping it out for a digital one. So, first off, check if your thermostat is actually level, because mercury thermometers need to be perfectly straight to give accurate readings. If it's tilted, the heating or cooling might kick on when it's not supposed to, or worse, not turn on when you need it. Also, if you notice your home's temperature doesn't match what the thermostat says, that's a big red flag. Old mercury thermostats can be super slow to react and just plain inaccurate after years of use. Another thing is safety. Mercury is toxic, so if the glass breaks, you could have a hazardous mess. If you're dealing with frequent temperature swings or weird heating and air conditioning cycles, it's probably not just your imagination. Switching to a digital thermostat can fix all of these issues since they offer better accuracy, easy programming, and most are safer for your home and family. Plus, modern digital thermostats can save you money by optimizing energy use without you having to babysit the settings. One of the biggest mistakes people make with mercury thermostats is ignoring the inaccuracies that creep up over time. This leads to wasted energy and higher bills, but leveling the thermostat or upgrading to digital fixes that right away. Another issue is safety concerns. Some folks keep using broken or cracked mercury thermostats without realizing the mercury inside is dangerous. If you spot any damage, replace it immediately with a safer digital model. Lastly, many people don't realize their thermostat is outdated and can't handle newer heating and air conditioning systems properly. Upgrading helps everything run smoother and keeps your home comfy without headaches. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trustworthy local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to heating and cooling upgrades. Contractors also get connected with people who need their services, so everyone wins with less stress and more reliable work done right.